Have you ever wondered why an apple falls down and not up? Or what holds the moon in its orbit around the Earth? The answer to these questions, and so many more, can be traced back to one extraordinary mind, Isaac Newton. Get ready, because today we're diving into the life of the genius who literally wrote the rulebook for modern science. Born prematurely on Christmas Day in 1642 in a small English village, Newton's early life was far from easy. His father died before he was born, and his mother remarried, leaving young Isaac in the care of his grandmother. He was a quiet, introverted boy, often more interested in building intricate models, like windmills and water clocks, than in playing with other children. This early fascination with how things work was a clear sign of the brilliance to come. His family initially wanted him to be a farmer, but thankfully, an uncle recognized his intellectual spark and helped him get into the prestigious University of Cambridge. It was here that Newton's genius truly began to ignite. He devoured the works of ancient philosophers and contemporary scientists, filling notebooks with his own questions and ideas. Then, a major event changed everything. The Great Plague of 1665 forced the university to close, and Newton returned to his family home for nearly 2 years. You might think this was a setback, but for Newton, it was the most productive period of his life. He called it his Annus Mirabilis, or Year of Wonders. It was during this time, in a burst of unparalleled creativity, that he laid the groundwork for his most famous discoveries. Legend has it that seeing an apple fall from a tree sparked his theory of universal gravitation. While the story might be a bit romanticized, the core idea is true. Newton realized that the same force pulling the apple to the ground was also the force keeping the moon in orbit around the Earth. It was a revolutionary concept, a single universal law governing both celestial and terrestrial motion. He had connected the heavens and the Earth with one elegant equation. But that wasn't all. During this same period, he invented calculus, the powerful mathematical language we still use today to describe change and motion. Think about it, from engineering skyscrapers to launching rockets into space. Calculus is the essential tool, and Newton created it. He also conducted groundbreaking experiments with light and prisms, demonstrating that white light is actually a mixture of all the colors of the rainbow. This discovery fundamentally changed our understanding of light and optics. After returning to Cambridge, Newton's career soared. He became a professor and later published his monumental work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, or simply the Principia. This book is considered one of the most important scientific texts ever written. In it, he outlined his 3 laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation. These principles became the bedrock of classical physics for the next 200 years, explaining everything from the flight of a cannonball to the orbits of planets with stunning accuracy. Newton wasn't just a secluded academic. He also served as warden and later master of the Royal Mint, where he applied his scientific mind to reforming England's currency and cracking down on counterfeiters. He was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705, becoming Sir Isaac Newton, a testament to his immense contributions to his country and to the world. Isaac Newton's legacy is almost impossible to overstate. He gave us the tools to understand the physical world in a way no one had before. He showed us that the universe wasn't a mysterious, chaotic place, but a rational one, governed by predictable laws that could be understood through observation and mathematics. His work paved the way for the Industrial Revolution and every major technological advancement that followed. So the next time you see a rainbow, or simply drop your keys, take a moment to remember the quiet farm boy who looked at a falling apple and saw the secrets of the entire universe. Newton proved that with curiosity and a relentless desire to understand, one person can truly change the world forever. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the life of a true giant of science. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the minds that shaped our world, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.